Dove believes that there is true beauty in every woman, in a variety of forms, shapes, and ages. And this type of beauty has no single queen. Therefore, in light of the annual Beauty Queen pageant held on International Women's Day, we created a counter-move entitled Beauty Does Not Have Just One Queen. We invited Israeli women to participate in a vibrant Facebook discussion about the ideal of beauty. Simultaneously, we recruited women to Dove's Wall of Real Beauty, a huge billboard in the heart of the Tel Aviv consensus. Women uploaded their photos using a unique application that screened them on the billboard, declaring them the true beauty queens. We launched Dove's Wall of Real Beauty simultaneously with the annual beauty pageant. And that's not all. During the beauty pageant, moments before the winner was announced, we aired a marketing content spot on TV declaring that we at Dove believe that beauty does not have just one queen. The results? We managed to spark a debate. The activity prompted a great deal of responses and user reactions and was covered by various mediums. Our Facebook page received 170,000 unique hits. Over 1,000 women appeared on Dove's beauty wall and were recognized for their true beauty. But most importantly, along with the women in the Dove community, we challenged the ideal of beauty and crowned each woman a beauty queen in her own right.